Hello, welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
Hi, I'm Neha.
I'm Ramya.
Alright, so I have Neha and Ramya with me today for our alphabet trivia quiz today. Okay, so in today's quiz, all our answers are going to start with the letter I. Okay, I for India. Alright, guys. Okay, so most of the questions will also be related to India. Okay,
Okay.
I mean, not all of them, but then most of them, yes. Alright,
This is geography.
not exactly geography, but then yes,
That's our
geography
favorite subject.
Yeah,
both of theirs, I'd say.
Certainly.
Including me.
Our geography is history.
All right, okay. So, no, not all our geography, but then yes, geography is a part of GK.
Thank
So,
God.
yes, that will be there. All right. So, shall we begin, ladies?
Okay.
Whoever gives the answer first gets the point.
Perfect.
And let's begin. All right. All answers start with I. Here goes the first question. Okay. Name a city in India that starts with I.
Indranagar.
Indra is okay. Indranagar kahan hai? Indranagar area in Bangalore.
I told you I don't like geography. Why are you taking geography?
I am thinking Indranagar. I think, were you thinking of Itanagar by any chance?
Maybe.
And it came out as
could be.
Indranagar.
Yeah, could be.
Because you kept saying India, she got confused.
Yeah.
Indranagar. Okay. Indore is correct. Indranagar is wrong. Alright. Okay. So there.
But you check the map. Might be there is one.
Okay. So there are a few other cities in India that start with I as well. You can leave them in the comments. Alright.
Nagar is
Okay.
right, no? So give me half a mark. Eta you can fix. It's okay.
40% of cities in India end with Nagar. That doesn't mean I can give you a mark for that. Okay.
Warm
Okay.
up.
Let's go to the next one. Okay. The next one is name one of the former prime ministers of
Indira
India.
Gandhi.
Indira Nagar se Indira Gandhi. Some Indira.
Some Indira is right today.
Okay. So there is one more prime minister whose name starts with I.
Mhm.
Guys, I'm leaving it to you. Leave it in the comments. Alright. There is one more. Okay. Next one. Give me the name of an Indian actor whose name
Irfan Khan.
Irfan Khan. Good one. That is
Imran
okay.
Khan.
I was expecting two other names though. A very young guy. Yeah, you can say that. I mean, you all halfway come
Khattar.
through it. Ishan Khattar, yes. There is an actress also whose name starts with I. So you guys have
Isha
lot of,
Kopikar.
there are a lot of Ishas also.
Yeah.
So yeah, see, most of my answers have come here, so there's no chance for you to leave anything in the comments. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Probably we'll get something of that. Okay, this might be quick. Okay, the tusk of the elephant is made
Ivory.
up of ivory. It is, yes. Okay, so yeah, ivory. Next one. I think one of the most smuggled things from
yes.
India.
Yes.
Okay, ivory it is. Next one, guys. Okay. A prominent war memorial in New Delhi commemorating Indian soldiers who died
India Gate.
correct, who died in World War One and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. Okay.
Why you had to write so much? Who remembers? So even Power audience,
So, see,
they must
this
be
is
thinking,
trivia,
what
this
is
is
this?
trivia.
Exactly. So the people know India Gate. Okay, we all know Chalo India Gate, Rang de Basanti. We have to drive through the gate and all. How many of us actually know it's actually a war memorial? Okay. So yes, this is trivia. This is information for you guys. All right. Let's go to the next one. Very easy. The Titanic sank after striking on an iceberg. It is. Okay.
I thought you were going to ask which place. I'm thinking which place next.
No, you're going geography.
Yeah, too much into geography.
Too much geography. Come back to general knowledge, okay? It is not so much of geography. Okay, now this is a little bit geography again. Okay, but very easy, okay? Name one of the oceans in the world.
Indian Ocean.
Indian Ocean.
Exactly, Indian Ocean it is. Indian Ocean. That's the only one with I. Okay, next one. Again, very easy. Name an Indian cricket player.
Imran Khan. Oh, he's Pakistani. Sorry.
India के लिए डाल दिया.
sorry.
Come on,
Arey,
guys.
shit.
Come on, I say. So simple. Okay, Indian player, yaar.
Indian player.
Okay. Okay, one's surname is Kishan.
Ishan
Kishan.
ऐसे ही बोला थी. Crazy that you don't know. There's one more whose surname is Sharma.
Ishant Sharma.
अब खाली everything you know. Ishant Sharma.
See, you take subjects like cricket and geography which I don't like.
Then how were you able to say? The second I said Kishan, both of you, Ishan Kishan, immediately it came.
I
out.
have two boys in my house.
Okay. Okay, next one. Again easy. Asthma patients use this to
Inhaler.
Inhaler.
Correct. Inhaler it is. Yes. So asthma patients use this to directly take medications through mouth to reach the airways.
Right.
Inhaler it is. All right. Okay. Next one. An Indian multinational IT company,
ITC.
Infosys.
Infosys it is. Indian multinational IT company
IT company.
founded in 1981, headquartered at Bangalore. Infosys
IIT.
it is.
Yeah, yeah.
You said ITC, it is not an IT company. All right. Let's go to the next one. Very, very, very easy. A South Indian breakfast dish.
Idli.
A South Indian breakfast dish that is generally eaten with sambar, chutney, podi, etc. Idli, the world's most healthiest food. Yes, idli it is. Belongs to Tamil Nadu. Okay.
The world's most known food also.
Yeah, and it's most
Next is
healthiest
idiyappam, I
anyway.
think.
Fermented, steamed, so like the most healthiest. Okay, next one. An Indian B2B online marketplace company that helps Indian manufacturers
India Mart.
I
connect
didn't
with
know this.
buyers. India Mart it is. All right, great. So one of the first in its particular category. Okay, let's go to the next one. The first female Prime Minister of India who was assassinated in
Indira
Indira
Gandhi.
Gandhi.
Okay, so that answer, I was expecting another answer to come for the other one though, but then yes, Indira Gandhi.
What's
again
the
it
other one, by the way?
is. You'll have to know in the comments. You gotta think.
I've been thinking for a while. It's running
Yes,
back
so
of my
you
mind.
will. It is a man. Okay.
I
So
know it
the
is a
first
man.
Indian was Indira Gandhi. Okay, next one. An Indian online travel portal that helps users to plan, book, and manage trips for flights, trains, buses.
Ixigo.
Oh, nice. Flights,
God, I'm
trains,
so
buses,
outdated.
and
I didn't even know this.
Ixigo is a really
Ixigo.
old one. Even everything. It's similar to Make My Trip.
I only know Goa, Ibibo, make my trip.
So see.
That's why I said I'm outdated. I didn't know this.
Okay, this one might be a little confusing, but I think you'll get it. Okay, an Indian deep fried sweet that is usually flower shaped and soaked in
Imarti.
flavored sugar syrup. Yes, often confused with the
Tea.
jalebi.
Yeah, but
Imarti.
Okay, it's I.
Hindi mein you write it E,
huh.
but when written in English, it's generally
But that's the
I.
only thing I could think of. But I thought it is E and not I.
Exactly. So Imarti it is. Okay, we are now on the bonus question.
Ramya, close your ears.
2 points for this one. All right, are we guys ready? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. A river originating in Tibet that flows.
Indus.
Indus.
Okay, that came quick. Okay. So the trivia here is I didn't know that it actually originates in the Tibet. Starts in Tibet, flows through India, and ends in Pakistan. Okay, so it's basically only flows through India. It neither starts in India nor ends in India, but it is named Indus.
So you will know 2 years later. I just finished my son's exams, so I'm very thorough in this.
That way, like 2 years later, I didn't get that. Okay, so Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bia, Satluj, all of these that are in Punjab are tributaries of Indus. only.
Indus.
Okay, so yes, Indus is the answer. All right. Before I announce the winner for today's quiz, here's the viewer's question for you guys. All right. Okay, which deity or god is also known as the god of rain? Which deity or god is called the god of rain? Leave your answers in the comments. All right. And the winner for today's quiz is Ramya. Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, learned something new today. And if you did, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and stay updated on all our regular quizzes and videos. Until then, we'll see you in a trivia quiz again very soon. See you all soon.
Don't
Bye.
forget to write the I, okay? Prime Minister.
Bye.